Good morning to all my dear students. So as we know that we are doing the revision of the chapter AP, and AP, the important formula what we have, the one formula is to find the nth term of an AP. The nth term of an AP, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, where A is the first term, n is the number of the position of the terms, and D is the common difference. And the different formula for D means common difference. We can use T1 T2 minus T1. So now on this sequence I'm taking the one question here. We have to find the missing terms here. As in this here, first term we have given here A is minus 4, and then 1 2 3 4 5 6 means this is T1 T2 T3 T4 T5 and T6. So here A is given minus 4 and T6 is given 6. So now we have to find here from here the second term, third term, fourth term and fifth term. So to find that we have to using Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, and here let common difference is D. So using this formula T6, here now you can say that in place of n I'm writing 6. T6 is equal to A plus 6 minus 1 into D. And the value of T6 is given 6 is equal to, and value of A is minus 4 plus 5D, or we can write it as minus 4 plus 5D is equal to 6, and 5D is equal to 6 plus 4. So D is 10 upon 5, that is 2. So now from here we got the value of D. Now T2, the T2 we have to find by using the formula T1 plus D. So T2 is minus 4 plus D. D is 2, it comes equal to minus 2. T3 is T2 plus D, that means minus 2 plus 2, 0. T4 T3 plus D, and T3 is 0 plus 2, that is 2, and T5 is T4 plus D, that is 2 plus 2, 4. So therefore the result we have minus 4, and the box so here the missing term we have the as T1, this is minus 2, then 0, then 2, then 4, and this is the answer. So in this way we have to solve all the question of the exercise of this type. So the next question which I'm going to take there is, how many multiples of 4 lies between 10 and 250? We have to find the multiples of 4 from the 10 to 250, and here we don't know the number. Multiples means those numbers which are divisible by 4. Multiples of 4 means those numbers which are divisible by 2. So as we know that 10 is not divisible by 4, then the next number is 12. So 12 is 14, because 4 is 12, 16, and in the same way. But we don't know the last number. For last number what I have to do, I have to divide by 4, because if they are saying the multiples of 4, multiple 4 means that number is also divisible by 4. So by this way we can check here. 6 4 is 24, then 4 2 is 8, left is 2. That means if from 250 this we subtract, then that number is divisible of 4. So from here in solution we can write list of numbers which are multiples of 4 between 10 and 250 are 12, 16, 20 and so on, and the last is 248. So these are the numbers between the 10 and 250 which are multiples of 4. So from here A is 12 and D is 60 minus 12. That means T2 minus T1, that is 16 minus 12, 4. And what here is one problem is that we don't know how many numbers are there, because we have to find how many multiples. We don't know how many numbers are there. So for that, what you have to do, what's the last term is given here, we can write here, let Tn is equal to 248. We suppose that this last term as Tn. So now using Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So here 248 is equal to 12 plus n minus 1 into D. D is 4. So we can also write it as 12 plus n minus 1 into 4 is equal to 248, and n minus 1 into 4 is equal to 248 minus 12. So n minus 1 into 4 is 236. So from here n minus 1 is 236 upon 4, and n is 59 plus 1, that is n is 60. So it means the number of terms are there 60. So therefore 60 multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250, and this is the answer of this question. So in this way we can do the questions of exercise 5.2. and now according to new syllabus, the 5.3 exercise 5.3 is removed from the syllabus by the HP governments. So so you have to study only 5.1 and 5.2 exercises. Okay, so from tomorrow I will give you a combined assignment of all the 3 chapters. Okay, so study them, and if any confusion you will get in any question you are not getting, to tell me on my WhatsApp. Thank you and have a nice day.